Kaitlyn, and I am wondering what you think about when you think about lobsters. Probably you think about the state of Maine, maybe a lobster roll, kind of like this one. But as a lobster researcher, I am interested in learning where lobsters come from and how us fishing for them affects this. Okay, so you get a mama lobster and a daddy lobster, and they get together, they do their thing, and you get baby lobsters eventually, right? I mean, like, maybe, it's complicated, but for example, when fishing specifically targets all of the big, hunky daddy lobsters, this could actually disrupt the baby-making process. Another issue is that in some fished areas, there are many, many females with very few males to mate with. And this is a problem because females produce many, many eggs. So if a few of them don't get to mate, this could be really bad for the number of babies in the next generation. So in my research, I am really interested in studying how different fishing management measures for lobsters actually affect this baby-making process. This way, we can inform management decisions to better protect lobster in the face of climate change. You might even say that we're working on lobster rolling out of hot water and into a better situation. Thank you.